Hello friends, happy Wednesday to you. Today's activity, we are going to be making a boomerang. Does anybody know what you could do with this thing? It's pretty cool and it goes pretty far. We are going to use 3 pieces of construction paper and some glue. Could you imagine? That's all you need to have some fun. Let's try it out. All right. Voila! There you have it. Red, blue, brown construction paper, glue, and a pen. We're going to move that off to the side, and we're going to start off with our blue piece of construction paper. We're going to fold that in half, like so. Press it down. Good, and we're going to take it from the bottom to the middle, to that line that we just made. Perfect. And we'll do the same thing with the other side. Fold it down. Actually, you know what? I'm going to turn it around. We're going to fold that to the middle as well. A lot of folding for this one, friends. Perfect. Get the glue stick. And we are going to start to put the glue in the middle of the paper. Fold it again, press down firmly. We're going to add some glue once again because we're going to fold this one more time. So that's 2 times for that side. Good, and press it down. Perfect. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. Fold it over, press down firmly, and we're going to put the glue on all those sides. We want to make sure that this doesn't get unraveled, so that's why we're putting all the glue, okay? Just like that. All right, press down firmly, fold it again, press down. More glue, friends. And we are going to fold that in half. Now, press that down. Good. That's one part of the boomerang complete. Now off to the blue sheet. We'll fold it in half. And we're doing the exact same thing that we did before. Fold it in half from the bottom to that midline, that middle line over there. Yep. Same thing with the other side. Flip it around, fold it, press down. Perfect. Whoops, almost blew away. And we're gonna get that glue going in the middle. Perfect. It's a lot of glue. Hopefully you don't run out. Now we're gonna fold it to the midline again. Same thing with the top. Lovely. Now the good thing is that we learned from the first one, we could just put the glue all over and fold from the bottom to the middle. And we're gonna do the same thing once again. Just like that. Perfect. Press down firmly because we're adding more glue. And fold it again. There you have it. 2 parts are finished. So we have the blue and the brown. Yes. Last part. The red piece of construction paper. We're going to fold it in half. Can you tell me what we're going to do next? You got it. We're going to take the bottom piece and fold it to the middle. Is that an ant? Oh my gosh. This is what happens when you do crafts outside. That's okay. And we're folding the other side. Now we're going to add the glue. Perfect. All around. Now we are going to fold it once again, the bottom. Fold this one to the middle. And yes, we're going to add more glue. Yeah, alrighty. So that's just about it. We're going to fold that to the middle and we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Yeah. One more time. Oops, there we go. Okay, and we're folding that. Perfect. So now we have 3 rectangles. Grab your pen. Now we are going to make markings where the boomerang is supposed to go so that when we glue it down, we know exactly where we're going to put it, okay? So we don't lose our markings. So you're just tracing the little outlines. Yeah, you see that? Get a glue stick now and add the glue. There you go. We're going to add glue once again to the other side. Kind of like a triangle, you know? We're almost done, guys. Perfect. Now mine didn't line up, you know, perfectly, but you get the idea. Don't forget to cover your glue stick. And to secure it, you can actually just put a staple right in the middle. And there you have it, your boomerang. Ta-da! Thank you so much for tuning in to today's activity. Now don't forget to check out Fairy Tale Friday. Can you guess what day it's on? That's right, it's Friday. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!